So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sony WF-XB700 and also talk about how it looks like and then also the features it comes with, and that is pretty much very cool. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first, we are just going to open it from here, and then we see how it's being packaged, and that's pretty much very cool. So this is an Airpods alternative, I should say. So we have some paperwork in here. That is the manual for you to read how this works and how you're going to be able to put it on your ears, and that's pretty much very cool. So we're going to go to the main door right here, and then this is how it's packaged. That is cool. It looks very cool. And then there's its case, how it looks like. So the right one is in red and the left one is in gray. That's cool. And there's where it's being charged. That is type C to type C. So type C to normal USB, I guess. So we're actually going to look at it, and this is how the main deal looks like. It's very cool. This looks slick. Initially when I saw this red one, I thought it was Beats. You can see it looks like Beats, but then it's not. So we're going to keep the right one here, keep in there like that. Okay, so it's a bit magnetic when you're trying to keep it in. Then you close it, and then we have something beneath it, so we're going to check. Okay, so this is where we have the charger, and then if you want to change the earbuds to, you can change it with this one per how your ear is. You can just change it in case maybe some get missing too. You're going to be able to replace it. And this is the charger, the USB cable. So that is type C to normal USB. That is how it's being charged. That is pretty much very cool. So this is all we have right here. And our earbud isn't looking bad. Our headset looks very great. I'll lie to you, it feels so firm, and then the case is also very great. It's very strong. Trust me, if it's in this case and it falls down, it's never gonna break or gonna cause any problems to the earbud, depending on how hard it's actually gonna hit the ground. So we have some buttons right here which you can press it. So I'm sure maybe it's using pausing music when you are listening. So it's just not on the left one, it's actually on the right one too. So we have it right here, so you can see, and that is pretty much very cool. So when you close it, you can see it sits down like this. It's kind of tilted. You have the tilted bottom, so it just sits with the face showing directly to us. That's pretty much very cool. So this is actually an 18-hour support time, and then also when you charge it 10 minutes, it's actually going to play for 60 minutes per how it's being reviewed, or how Sony is actually presenting this to us. And also it's water resistant, that is IPX4, and then can be a hands-free for calling. So that is basically very cool. You can use it as a phone calls and everything. And then also it supports voice assistant, let's say Google Assistant, and then Siri, and all this earbud or headset actually supports it. And then it's a type C cable, like I said, and then also the charging case is what you're going to use in charging. So the case is a charging case, it doesn't have to be outside of it or something, and that's pretty much very cool. So this is not a bad earbuds. In case you want to just purchase one, you should try the Sony WF-XB700, and that is basically very cool. Per the price, I'm going to say it's a mid-range one, because it's not more than $200, but in my country it's 750 cedis. If you're in Ghana, you want to try this one out, it's 750 cedis. And I got it from Telefonica, so in case maybe you want to go try it out, you can just go there and get it, and that is pretty much very cool. So that is all I'm going to share with you in this video, and when I use it and then how it feels like, I'm actually going to bring a second review to you guys and see how best this is actually going to be sounding in my ears, and how helpful it's actually going to be, and how strong the battery life is actually going to be. So stay tuned in case you want to know more about this, and you can check this video out here in case you want to know more about the Google Pixel 6 in case you missed it. And that's pretty much very cool. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.